Let's generate a summary of a flow with Now Assist for Creator. First, on the home page, select Flows. Here, you can filter your flows. Let's filter by name. In the filter modal, enter the term you wish to group by. For this example, we'll use Change. Select Apply to execute the filter. Next, open the flow you wish to summarize. In the Flow Editor, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Flow Summary from the drop-down menu. And then, from the Flow Summary dialog box, select Summarize. Now you know how to summarize a flow using Now Assist for Creator.